Hey, I'm Sarah Falah with DataPoints, and I wanted to share with you a little bit about our assessment of psychological risk tolerance, the investor profile. The investor profile was created to help you understand your client's psychological risk tolerance in a way that's really different than other assessments that are out there. What we've done is create a competency model of investor performance. Who are good investors, and how we break that down is into these 5 areas that you can see here. We look at things like confidence, composure, risk personality, preference for risk, and judgment related to investments. We also include what we call an action predictor, which is an indicator of whether or not your client will buy, sell, or hold during a down market. Higher scores indicate that your client will put money into the market, and lower scores indicate that your client will take money out. Through our work and our partnership with the Financial Planning Performance Lab out of the University of Georgia, we've also created a way for you to understand what that psychological risk tolerance means in terms of portfolio allocations. We've worked with the team and using their database of over 14,000 investors and how they've been allocated by advisors. You get a snapshot and a map to how other investors that look a lot like yours have been allocated. You can use this information as a starting point for allocation decisions, taking into account the unique characteristics of that client, including things like their age and capacity, time horizon, etc. In addition to the information we provide from an overall perspective, we also break down each of the components that we measure and help you understand what it means in terms of working with that client and where there may be some challenges. We also provide open-ended questions to help you and your client understand the why behind each of their scores. I hope you'll check out the investor profile. It's really unlike any of the other risk tolerance assessments that are out there. It's just one of the assessments that we provide to advisors to help them manage the behavioral side of their practice. Thanks.